megide ha elu n'ala megide onye si n'ọga ha dịrị anyị na mma. Heaven to be against them, earth to be against them, heaven and earth to be against them. Said it will not be well for me. Oh, megide ayaya, hey, elu n'ala megide onye si n'ọga ha dịrị ha na mma. Ọnwụ ike zutenu ha, amen. Ụbịam zutenu ha, amadi ọha magbuo onye si n'ọga ha dịrị na mma. Ana megide onye si n'ọga ha dịrị anụ na mma. Ya mee. Onye ọbụla si ọga ha dịrị anụ na mma, ọ ga-ebu ọkụkọ ụzọ alakpu ha. Ekwuola ya ekwuo ka ya aka. Ekwuru ya n'akwụkwọ ndị ọpụpụ. Wee kwuo akwụkwọ ndị ọpụpụ. Mezi ụkwụ gị. N'akwụkwọ ndị ọpụpụ nga ahụ mmehie ugbo m ga-ekwuru ya. Wee kwuo so na onye ọbụla hụrụ ihe ọma megide mmadụ ibe ya si na ọnwụ ihe ọjọọ ka ya mma, onye ahụ ihe ọjọọ ka emegide n'ụwa ya ụwa. Mgbe Chineke wụ Kraịst wụ nna anyị nọ n'elu obe, esote ka esiri kpogbu ya n'obe Kalvarị, esote nnọọ. Asị adị mgbe o megide ndị ahụ kpogburu n'obe bụ ndị Judas Iscariot. Yes!
He shot you!
Asị ya bịakwa akpịrị na-akpọ ya nkụ. Ya kulitesị ha anya ya, akpịrị na-akpọ m nkụ. As they come bring drink, wey don sour, they come comot am cover. As they comot the cover like this, na so in dey look them. They dey for up. When he don't drink the sour wine, after hanging Maya the sour. Okay, when I'm not there, low yellow. This one beside drink and swallow. He on they give him in drink and finish. Now so he do him. Yes, again. What? Yes. Yeah, go to the lobby. Continue. Yeah, go to the no call. Go to the hand down in Maya. Hagaga will again. Where Rube? They use Chirot. Hammer.
They used to what?
Chirot. Hammer and two. They went hammer. Yamanasi. Uba hammer ya na koko. Wetera yo de lanya. Uba hammer ya na koko. Wetera yo de lanya. Uba hammer ya na koko. Wetera yo de lanya. Ube took him for lungs. He bring hope to us.
Continue.
When they say, I got manaya. Hey, I got manaya. Ihe I get you manaya will sit na pantu de no kaya from the tribe of his hand. That is when you go know him.
From the what?
Tribe where they had young geshu popoyaka. Popoyaka. They who do it, they are not going to go to the way. They say immediately they took him here. All that dirty water, dirty drink where they give him. Now so the drink go take pour out. This one why I drink like go pour out, but you not go come here because more than your move. Nga ko ge shabush. And once he enter here, now so the person where anybody will enter in body go carry picking. Nyemu wo that G for general.
Amen.
From the missionary ministry.
Amen.
The name of my church is great enough to hit that city.
Amen.
I wonder international ministry worldwide. Go to Kubwa, our branch is there. Go to Dadinkowa, our branch is there. Go to Sabongeri, our branch is there. Go to Alekwe. Even the Abagana here where Nambra Moka. Woo! Naze Kokote, our branch is food there international.
Oh, Mumu no too much.
Awasaba. I prove Nasaba. Nowhere where you go where you go see.
Amen.
So today I am coming to your family. Also because you have allowed the man of God, the prophet. Because you allowed the prophet to step his foot into your compound. So therefore, the fruitness of the prophet shall be visited unto your home. Funke, you will born pikin.
Amen.
Anybody will say you no go born pikin, that person they laugh.
Amen.
Now for here, you and your husband they look for pikin or one day. Not before this bed.
Yes,
When they do am for parlor,
no,
when they look for them for bathroom,
no.
when they look for them for kitchen.
No.
What of inside car park?
No way.
You see it. You see when I tell you, say people when they lead me, say make I they do what I they do. Their eye they open. Now you make they see everywhere for this house. They say no. Lead me into matrimony.
Jesus!
Near the bed, Ebana and begin. Ngahana na choma. That say you never born picking, no be say,
Jesus is Lord!
What? Ah! My eyes are open. They don't open my eye. Lie down.
What?
Lie down. If you know how they take lie down, if you and your husband they lie down for night, lie down like that, may they come visit you. They say they will visit you in any form. Oh, I now come at you. What I now come at you? Say, I will come like a thief. Whatever I hear you say, that I will do. Now you make I say, I should come. You know him good. He said, I should come. Is this not your matrimonial bed? Or what would you? Or what you? Now you make I say, no palo, get some palo, get some madam, in a room. Before we meet this woman here. I don't know say she been there here. But as I enter here, I come meet you. He stop me. He not stop me. That thing where you they look for that the G.O. hand, you go see her. Because he don't tell us for his book, say, I will come like a criminal. I got my bed she now come at you. He also take for book of Zekabus. Yes! Book of Zekabus. Zekabus. Oh no, now towards the revelation, towards the end of the Bible.
Revelation.
Beginning of the Bible, Genesis here to the revelation. Will
you keep
quiet? He come say, I will come like a thief. And today he say, that the G.O. You go give children like a thief. Anyhow where you come, accept.
You be
open yourself for
you think say they why?
For those who ain't knock for their door, they open. You go enter it with them. Lie down. If you know how you and your husband, they take a lie down. They look for picking. Lie down.
She what?
So real. Okay, Jim, we go. That is G.O. no say Tialawo. We go no chase.
I'm lying down.
Oh, don't talk, make you no pursue them. That is G.O. no say Tialawo. We go, hey, ono somori go, we go. Upon no some gawano no say we go, hey. Is so?
Allow me now. Is it that
You say I can't do it into it. You want to teach them their work.
I'm not complaining.
Asumuri go no kanu bonu mo. We go, Daddy G.O. Wait. Acho pola onye so biara no logi. Enu pola ya o. O biara go sigi Wait
first.
You and them who go wait?
Wait first.
Hey. Hey, come here. They tell me say this is your condition. This is your childlessness. They say na your mama na him cause. Yes. As I dare inside of me, as I dey pray, as I dey talk, as I dey minister, as I dey lay hands, as I dey lay body, they come tell me say, this is your condition. Say na your mama na you carry one big key, unlock your private part of the why. Carry the key, go inside lake of fire.
How?
Go to where?
Wait, my own mother.
Your own mother. They talk say she's well. I say after they do it, she come there. Come picking, let me see. This let's girl. I tell you, she's not married that if mine. You go marry her. Come picking, let that. Now so your mama can't position her mouth. They talk and like slave queen. Come talk and finish. Come carry the thing. They say you put them for Calabar.
That's Calabar.
Eh, Tigesh. Oh, what you in a Calabar? Her
biological mother.
Say that woman is from what I told you now, she's a witch. She's a demon. In fact, she's not what to live. She's better if you catch that woman now. You put hand for her neck, go to them rotai. Give me your teawa. No, I'm demonstrating how you're going to kill her because she's not what to be your mother.
My own mother.
How can she do that to her own child? The mama gone and him too, and that woman she's an amusu. She's a witch. She's a bastard. God don't punish her. She no go see better. Don't talk say
as I did, and I said she start. When I say make you marry him, make you marry Anthony. You know, green Maria. I tell you make you marry first move.
Jesus!
You know Maria. Zubi Michael, I tell you make you marry. Even that time where he slap you, you for take style and enter him. Make him marry you. You know agree. He said make you marry water anger. Make you and I go them minute little walk anger. No. Also good luck canary is against no you can't away who so are hogo. It's straight to that in as you go man.
Jesus!
You can't the hogo. You got a bigger kanashi. Gaga Lolo Obiam. Lolo, come on, boy, let me see you. Stupid girl. I will teach you a lesson into your life. Come on again. That's why she come there like
My
no.
mother.
Your mother, won't she? You're right.
Do you know I am her mother?
I am her mother. My mother.
I want to hear it.
No, I didn't mean.
But you said she did something and put inside calabash.
I want to know where the calabash is. Your Holy Spirit or whatever that gives you the vision will show you where that calabash is. I want to see the calabash now.
No, be say. Now the mama.
Choma, call the police for me.
Hey! No be the mama I call though. Now the thing why I want to talk say now the mama your husband mama they alive.
You're mad. You are sick in the head. So you didn't know she's my mother.
No,
And
be say.
you were talking anyhow.
No, I want to say your
If I slap
mother-in-law. Now in-law na I no put for the back of that mother.
Child.
In-law as
Ihe njọrọ ọ mama muri ya n'afọ. Gas
mba ha no n'ime mmụọ go shimi ke.
ịla la Fanta. Gwa anyị ka esi mo ya go. By the way, onye dịrị gị bịa nga.
Ekpughere.
Ekpughere. A ga-ekpughere gị ebe calabash ahụ. Ọ kwesị na ọkala. Kalaba, etiyash. A ga-ekpughere gị. You are going to show me where that calabash is. I am going to expose you to the world. Ị ga-agwa ụmụ ụwa ihe ị na-arụ.
Because mgbe anyị mama ka the calabash don disappear. I no dey see them again. Gịnị na mụ mgbe ha ahụ azụ ya.
Funke!
Biko.
Mụnwa ji nwa m amụ na nwa.
I want to say some song with you. Asị nsa ha ji ya.
Ọ kwesị na ọgbọ ọmụ a. Ọgbọ mama mụrụ ya n'afọ. Nọ nne di ya. Ichefuru itinye mother-in-law. In-law. Chioma. Boy your mother-in-law. Officer. Boy your mother-in-law say na be gị na agba ọkụ ya gbara bịaba. Gịnwa.
Oh, with the mother-in-law. With the mother.
Daddy G.O. Otu akụnụ ga-esi na-akpagharị na-emebibe ndị mmadụ.
Just imagine.
With the mother-in-law come
No,
to
Gene.
the oh mother of the witches. Now the mommy water mothers.
The mami water mothers. Gịnwa bụ dia papi water. Wee bụ onwe gị Daddy G.O. Wee na-agarị na-emebishibe ndị mmadụ. Ọ bụ na m anaghị ebe a kịta irigoro nwa m enu. Irigocha ya enu iri tuo ya. Isi a na ndị eluigwe si gị. Ebe ka ndị eluigwe nọ.
Oh, maybe anyway. Do you know where everything
No,
is?
Ifuru ihe na-eme n'ụwa.
Can you imagine?
Ndidi. Nwenu ndidi. Isi m na enwere pastọ a gwara gị. Ọnwụ na nsị gị ka m hapụ ọrụ bịa ebe a taa. Ihe
My
eme.
friend says so many
Your friend
things
said,
about
this
you.
one said, Ifeoma said, Uloma said. Ima mmadụ na ọrịa.
That fun time, say.
Go. Gwa mama otu Chineke si wee nwa sad wine n'enu Calvary. Wụpụ ya. Nke ihe mere na ịwụpụrụ ya. Jide Bible na turn upside down.
Otoke ha uhu.
Ọkwa ị chọrọ inye ya nwa. Ngwa. Nye nwa. Irigocha ya n'ụlọ ito isi anọ mụọ dị ya mụrụ nwa. Ngwa. Gaa nye nwa.
I'm ready.
Chuma dinezi ọfụma. Dinezi.
I'm ready.
Yo. Oye. Gịnị
Gịnị
ka ị chọrọ ịgwa m?
ọ bụrụkwanụ nwa nwụ n'aka Chukwu ka o si abịa na akwụkwọ nsọ kwuru ekwu so onye ọbụla nwere ndidi children are gift from God no be man dey give pikin but we will be people of we will be person of God.
Funke!
Person of God.
Yes.
You will be a person of Satan. Say it like that. Yes. You will be person of Satan.
Okay, we will be person sometimes
Person.
I can call the name.
Oh, thank God.
So no be we go just there. Now people go they come, pastor pray for me. I want pikin. Oh, better than nwa. Oh, if husband and wife meet, they go get pregnant through the power of God. But if they can't disturb like this, I gonna kote nganga bari enyo. I be kwa art ya. Oh, ye be kwa ime ha. Owudum nanum na eme ndo zo mekwa eme ma
Chioma.
onye ọbụla chere oge Chukwu ọkwa n'oge ya ka
So
mma.
ị chọrọ iche oge Chukwu ndụ. Ị chọrọ ikpe ekpere ka ị nwee breakthrough. Chioma, bunye Bible. Bunye m ka ọ bụrụ Bible ọsọ ka anyị na-esi ya video. Insta blog. Bunye Bible gị, come on video ọsọ.
Anyị maara n'aka.
Ọ na-anyị ga-ahụ aka. Video like that.
Imechie ihu gị were ọkpọ nji wee bụrụ
Akala touch not my anointed.
Ndị gara akpọ onwe gị anointed.
wepụ ihe ọsịsọ. Oya.
Biko.
Biko, kpọọlụ m ndị Daily Stars. Kpọọlụ m ndị National Newspaper. I want this thing. Kpọọlụ m ndị Star Blog. Ọkwa gị mapụta the GO.
No, let me even video here.
Oya, stop talking.
Fake pastor, come on. Oya, buma, heaven. Abracadabra.
Bra.
Come on.
Bra.
Iwu dike na anyụ mma nkọ.
Achọ m ka ọ gaa viral. Nye ozugbo.
Chai!
What back and you guys so? Fake news.
Daddy GO. Ị bịara inye nwa m nwa.
Destroying people's families and homes.
Otu a ka ha si akpagharị.
Iru dike na anyụkwa mma nkọ.
Ọsaka ụsali ọ bụ maga na ọjụ anụ. Bunye m Baịbụl ọsịsa ka ị na-esonye na Baịbụl. Oya. Isi ụdị Baịbụl o jeje gote nke bishops na-eyuzu. Oya, budia. Oya, buma. Speak in tongues. Stay speak in tongues. Bra.
Oya, that's speaking in tongues.
You think say they wise? Woman!